So how to pair a mobile? First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. It should automatically pick it up. But I'll just click phone anyway. You see there, Ford Audio. It's already transmitting, so long as yours is ready for receiving.
Enter the pin which is shown on the radio display into your mobile phone.
And it's telling you to enter the pin, which is 5657. 5657. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. And there we go, Ford Audio connected.